VIP Indicators is a premium collection of trading tools designed to help traders across the world make informed, data-driven decisions. From the VIP Market Scanner to Cloudband Signals, this suite provides advanced, real-time market analysis for traders in multiple financial markets. Whether you're day trading, swing trading, or focusing on long-term investment, VIP Indicators has something for every trading strategy. Why I need it? Forget the endless time investment, the stress, and the dangerous pressure of trying to keep up with everything. It's time to release yourself from dependencies, time constraints, and the tension that holds you back. Instead, embrace the joy of living in the present moment with your family, kids, and friends. Enjoy their company, make memories, and connect with what truly matters. Most importantly, take a moment to be live with yourself, to find peace, rejuvenate, and thrive without the constant rush. Life is about balance, and now is the perfect time to focus on what brings true happiness and fulfillment. Click on the official link given in the description and make all your trades only in profits. Trading in the financial markets can be complex and overwhelming, especially with the sheer volume of data and ever-changing market conditions. Tools like VIP Indicators are essential because they simplify decision-making by providing real-time, accurate signals and advanced market analysis. These indicators help traders quickly identify profitable opportunities, reduce emotional trading, and improve accuracy in their strategies. In fast-paced markets, timely information is critical, and VIP indicators provide the edge that traders need to stay ahead. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, having the right tools can significantly enhance your potential for success in volatile markets. How it will help you? VIP indicators offer a wide range of features that cater to different trading styles and mindsets. 1. For the analytical trader, VIP indicators provide comprehensive market scans that allow you to make data-driven decisions. 1. If you rely on technical analysis, the VIP Market Scanner and VIP Oscillator help you spot trends, providing the best entry and exit points for your trades. 2. For the risk-averse trader, if you prefer a conservative approach, Cloudband Signals offer clear buy and sell recommendations, reducing the risk of emotional trading. 2. The Support and Resistance Matrix helps you identify safe zones to enter and exit without risk of significant losses. 3. For the global scalper, traders in fast-paced markets, such as Forex or commodities, will benefit from the instant alerts provided by the VIP tools, ensuring you never miss a profitable opportunity, no matter where you are in the world. 4. For the swing trader, those who prefer holding trades for days or weeks will appreciate the predictive market analysis, which identifies both short-term and long-term trends, giving you a solid edge in your trading strategy. What will be the benefit? The biggest advantage of VIP indicators is the time-saving feature. Instead of spending hours analyzing data manually, the indicators give you real-time, actionable signals. You can trade with confidence, even if you're balancing other commitments, as these tools help automate your decision-making process. 1. Maximize your profit potential. With a 93% weekly profit potential as claimed by the product, VIP indicators enable you to identify and capitalize on high-probability trades. 2. Flexibility to trade any market. Whether you're trading Forex, stocks, cryptocurrency, or commodities, VIP indicators are versatile enough to cater to any market globally, and they work well with TradingView, one of the most trusted platforms for market analysis. 3. Low cost, high reward. The indicators give you an opportunity to make profitable trades without needing a huge initial investment. 3. With a 30-day risk-free trial, you can test the product with no financial commitment upfront. Why it is helpful to you? 1. For beginners, the user-friendly setup. coupled with a comprehensive training course, makes it easy for newcomers to understand how to use VIP indicators. 2. For experienced traders, the advanced tools provide deep analysis and accurate signals, which can enhance your trading decisions, allowing you to increase profitability without additional risk. Customer reviews. Real users worldwide have shared their positive experiences with VIP indicators. Traders from different regions report a significant improvement in their success rate, with many claiming they're able to trade with more confidence and less stress. 1. MT. London, UK. VIP indicators transformed my trading. The clear buy/sell signals are precise and easy to follow. I've seen a 40% increase in my monthly profit since I started using them. 2. Liam J. Sydney, Australia. As a swing trader, I need a tool that helps me understand the longer-term trends. VIP indicators have given me exactly that, and I feel more secure in my trades now. 3. Carlos M. Madrid, Spain. I was skeptical at first, but after testing the 30-day trial, I'm convinced. I've had some of my best trades in months. The support team is incredibly helpful too. Success rate. VIP indicators boasts a 93% success rate in helping traders make profitable trades, according to many user reviews. However, as with any trading tool, results can vary. Users who combine the tool with solid market knowledge and consistent practice tend to see the best results. It's designed for both new and experienced traders who want to improve their decision-making accuracy. Money-back guarantee. VIP indicators offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you find the indicators don't meet your expectations, simply reach out within 30 days and get a full refund, no questions asked. This gives you peace of mind, knowing that you're not locked into any long-term commitment unless you're satisfied. 5 FAQs with convincing answers. 1. Q. How quickly can I expect to see results? 1. A. Most traders report seeing noticeable improvements within the first few weeks as they start implementing the signals into their trading strategy. 2. Q. Are these indicators suitable for all types of traders? 2. A. Yes. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, VIP indicators cater to different trading styles, including scalping, swing trading, and long-term investment. 3. Q. Will this work in all markets? 3. A. Yes. VIP indicators are compatible with global financial markets, including forex, stocks, cryptocurrency, and commodities. 3. The tools are adaptable for any market you trade in. 4. Q. What makes VIP indicators different from other trading tools? 4. A. The combination of advanced market scanning, real-time signals, and a risk-free trial makes VIP indicators stand out. 4. The system's integration with TradingView allows for a seamless trading experience. 5. Q. Can I use these indicators with any trading platform? 5. A. While VIP indicators are optimized for TradingView, they can also be used on MetaTrader 4/5, giving you flexibility in choosing your trading platform. Act fast. Don't let hesitation stop you from improving your trading strategy. VIP indicators offer the right tools to give you a competitive edge in any market. Click the link below to get started with your 30-day risk-free trial today. By addressing a wide range of trading styles and emphasizing the global accessibility of the tool, this review effectively appeals to traders worldwide, encouraging quick decision-making while reinforcing trust and urgency.